So I'm going to show you a very easy way to do double knitting with only one color, and this is like for straight stitch. So in order to cast on, you go under, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up, under, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up, under, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up, under, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up. And I really want to have an even number of stitches, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now under, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up, under, over, pick up, under, both, over, pick up. I think I need one more. Let's see, under, so let's see what I have here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's good. So I'm going to make sure that my yarn in the front is crossed, because if not, it will unravel. So I'm going to start knitting. You knit 1, bring your yarn to the front and pass that one as if to purl. Knit 1 and pass that next one as if to purl with the yarn in front. I'll see you in a minute. So since you have an even number of stitches, the last stitch is always passed. So knit 1, bring your yarn to the front and pass as if to purl. Knit 1, bring your yarn to the front and pass as if to purl. So I'm going to do this whole row, and so I can show you what the last stitch does. So knit, bring your yarn to the front and pass as if to purl. Knit and pass as if to purl. Knit and pass as if to purl. Knit and pass as if to purl. So that means that last stitch only gets it gives it a very nice edge. So you do that on every row, and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like once I have several rows made. So this is the way it looks when you're done, like for the double knitting. Look how nice it is. So it's 2 sides, and then the edges come out really nice. See, let me show you closer. So you don't have ugly edges. And this is the one color, and I'll show you how to bind off. So to bind off, this is the simplest and nicest way I have found to do so. So you're going to knit 2 stitches together very softly, or with a larger needle, one side larger. But if you do it softly, that's enough. So knit 2 together, knit 2 more together, and pass the first one over. Knit 2 together, and pass that one over. Knit 2 together and pass the first one over. Knit 2 together and pass that one over. Knit 2 together, pass that one over. Knit 2 together, pass that one over, and knit 2 together, pass that one over. Now we do have a video on how to bind off when you want, for example, this could be a glass case, a eyeglass case, in which you need this top part to be open. So we have a video on that. Otherwise, this is very nice finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. And I will see you next time.